Good morning. So what we're up to this morning, first thing, is putting the decking on the deck. So what I do is I actually make them tight. Again, toenailing that in and toenailing it in here. And then every second board I mark, and in about a month or two these little lead pencil lines disappear. So yeah, that's and then I'll screw the whole thing off, and then I can find all my marks. So I toenail them tight together because I'm not a big fan of a gap in the decking, and there will be a gap even when it's toenailed together like that. There will be a gap because these 2x6s shrink. There'll be a good 1/8 of an inch gap here in a couple months anyways, so this is where that flat piece is. That 2x10 I laid on the flat, so this allows me to put screws on the edge and be able to put screws in this guy as well. Okay, so I got a little portion of roof to do here. See if I can find it on the plan for you. I'm thinking, nope, I'm hoping I got all the parts cut. This here piece here. This little chunk of roof, hopefully I got everything cut. So I'm just getting all this up on the second floor and I'll start assembling it. Okay, so I'm up top here. Try to get all my pieces organized. It can get hard sometimes remembering what I've all cut and where it all goes. Okay. So this guy here, I'm just going to take and trace a minute. Yep. Now I know where this piece goes. This is actually just the exact same length as this top cord of that truss. Put them right on my line here. Don't like the accuracy of the line up here. Seems like it's a little wobbly. Okay. And up. Okay, so my first sheet here, nice so far. Okay, so measure this. $37. Okay, so got this little doohickey sheeted. Went okay, didn't go perfect. Didn't expect this one to go perfect. So we'll staple it off and stop for lunch. There it is. Anyways, we'll that's enough for this little party here. I don't know what's next. Probably the landing. Okay, so I've got this nosing. I got this slope on here and the nosing. So the back deck is complete for now. Well, not for now, it's completed. Yeah. So now we will go and get the landing in the up to the second. Okay, so there's a landing here. So the stairs go from there up and they hit a landing. It comes out over this beam about 2 feet. Kind of looks like it's floating actually. It's kind of cool. We'll get started on that, see how that goes here. Just about the end of the day, but we'll get this started anyway. Okay, so I'm inside the house here. Just underneath the second floor. Yeah. Getting Polly in. Always fun. Oops, sorry about that. I'm gonna assume you didn't see much there. So we're in a rack. Okay. Oh, whoa, ladder. Don't move. Stay where you are. Okay. So I'll get the ledger for the back and we'll fasten that. This is actually all the material right here. This guy's first. I thought it was. Nope. Time out. This guy. Okay. Maybe a little squished here. Okay, so I have to figure out, make sure I got this the right direction. How does this go? $15 1/4 there, so This has to be spun. Okay. This is crazy. How this landing gets in here. Now, that would have been nice if that would have shot. But apparently it doesn't want to today. Okay. Now, before I nail the crap out of it, so that should be, yes, it is correct. Right, that should be 15 1/4 to this side of my line, my layout mark, and it's not. What happened? How did I do this? 15 1/4. Why did I spin it? It's weird. That can't be good. You okay? Okay, let's get this ledger nailed on. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so this guy bumps into here, comes flush with this beam. Nail this guy right there. Perfect. Okay. One of those. Then we need one joist in here. Look for the crown. We're actually going to crown these guys. So the crown's down. So that the cantilever's over the beam. Okay, that sounds cool. Okay, let's just balance on that stud. We'll be good. This guy's almost perfectly straight. Going to shoot the back here. Okay, yeah, right on the line, perfect. Now, let's go to the front here. This guy is mint. Okay, so this goes right there. I want this hanging past your 3.5, so the handrail beside the stairs, and that looks beautiful. Remind me to put a hanger here before I put this piece in. Okay, yep. Okay, so eventually, maybe with more weight, this will settle down. If not, I'll have to push this down. Now I can go ahead and fill in all these joists. So yeah, that cantilever, or that landing cantilever, is over that beam, and then the stairs will connect to it. It kind of looks like it's floating, like the back deck. Okay, so we'll nail these joists to this rim. Make sure it's flush on the top. Okay. Okay, 2 more. And then maybe the hangers. And we are ready to sheet. Let's see what time it is. Close to the end of the day, I would say. Now, let's see if it's right. This is where it really sucks if it's wrong. This should be 47.5. Yep. Okay. And then, yeah, good. So we got it. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.